Hello my dear children, welcome again to e-learning class and textual question session. And today we are going to learn to write the words and question answers of lesson number 2. Okay, in last session we learned the words and sentence of lesson number 1. And now today we are going to write lesson number 2, words and question answers. So all of you take out your 4-line book. Children, you have to do the homework in the same book which you have done earlier. Okay, so don't make separate book. You can continue doing your work in the same 4-line book. So take out your 4-line book, pencil, eraser, sit properly and see how Miss is writing and follow the method how Miss is teaching you. Okay. And see children, this is your phonophone book and in that lesson number 2. This is lesson number 2. Here words are given and here sentences and down question answers are given. So first we will write the words of this lesson. And which is the first word given? Yes, first word is an. A, an. See how Miss is writing children. This is your 4-line book page. This is the red margin. You have to write from the right side of the red margin. First letter cursive small. Now first spelling is A-N, and next is can, C-A-N, can. Cursive small, C-A-N, can. Write slowly and very neatly. Follow the lines and do not write out of the lines. After can, which word it is? Fan. Cursive small, F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. After fan, man. Spelling of man is M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. And see, I don't have lines here children, so I am writing from the next line, but you have lines in your page, so continue writing from the next line only. Okay. M-A-N, man. After which spelling it is? Which word? Pan. Spelling of pan, P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. After pan, which word it is? Ran. Spelling of ran, R-A-N, ran. First letter is cursive small, R-A-N, ran. After ran, van. Spelling of van, V-A-N, van. After van, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. Now after A-N-D, and, am. A-M, am. After am, jam. Spelling of jam, cursive small, J A M, jam. After jam, ram. Spelling of ram, R A M, ram. R A M, ram. After ram, Sam. And Sam's spelling you have to write as cursive capital. Okay, cursive capital S A M, Sam. S A M, Sam. Now after Sam, which word from the next line? Which word it is? Bad. B A D, bad. B A D, bad. After bad, dad. D A D, dad. After dad, had. H A D, had. After had, which word it is? Lad. Spelling of lad, L A D, lad. L A D, lad. After lad, mad. M A D, mad. M A D, mad. After mad, pad. Spelling of pad is P A D, pad. After pad, sad. S A D, sad. S A D, sad. Question number 1. Where? W H E R E, where. I S, is. Then leave some space, then write T H E, the. M A N, man. And then question mark. After question finishes, you have to put question mark. Where is the man? And what is the answer? Answer 1. And you can see here in this picture, where is the man? By a van. So we will write the answer, cursive capital B Y, by a, then V A N, van, and then we will put full stop. Okay, question number 1 is, where is the man? And the answer 1 is, by a van. B-Y, by a, V-A-N, van. Now question number 2. Question Q2. Whose W H O S E. Whose V A N. Van. Whose van is it? IS is IT. It. And after it, question mark. Whose van is it? And answer number 2 is, whose van it is? It is Dad's van. So we will write Dad's van. Cursive capital D A D and then S, and here we will put apostrophe S. This is apostrophe S. Dad's van. V A N, van. And then full stop after the answer finishes. So question number 2 is, whose van is it? And the answer is Dad's van. Like this you have to write the answer number 2. DAD and then apostrophe S, S, VAN, van. Dad's van. So children, practice well writing the words and question answers of lesson number 2, and remember you have to write in very neat and clean handwriting, and do the homework in very good handwriting and send the homework. Okay children, then bye and have a good day.